Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome back to more RC video reviews. I'm out here to enjoy my FPV whooping, and I brought my FPV whoop with me, and I forgot to charge the batteries. How wonderful it is. But hey, this gives me a good chance to introduce the new Eachine field charger for your FPV whoops. This is nice and tiny. You can use it as a USB charger as well, I believe, because I see a USB port here. And you can use a Lipo battery to charge other batteries. That is 1S battery. You can charge up to 6 of 1S batteries for your FPV whoops. So I have 5 of my batteries, and I hope using a 4S battery is not going to damage this. I'm going to use a 4S battery to power it on and charge 5 of these batteries at the same time. Now before we do that, you can take a quick look at and closer look at the charger. You have 6 ports with 2 different types of connectors to charge your 1S batteries of your FPV whoops. You can select 4.20. You can select 4.20 or push your batteries to charge up to 4.35 volts, okay, if your batteries support that, the high voltage ones. You can change the charging current from 0.2 amp to 0.6 amp only. You also have a battery meter here that shows you the levels of the battery that is connected to this charger, I believe. I'll find out very, very soon. To power the charger in the field, you can use the XT60 connector, and at home you can use that jack there, okay? I believe it also is capable of charging USB devices like cell phones, and I'm gonna give it a try right away and see how it goes. All right, here goes nothing. Connecting a 4S. I hope I don't burn anything. All right, nice. Hold on, we are upside down, I believe. Okay, my total volts in this battery is 16.4. okay, now I can start connecting my whoop batteries. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry I'm doing this video in a bright sunny day. You can actually see that there are some lights blinking in there for each charging port. So here goes the first battery. All right, that's channel 1, 3.9 volts. Here goes the second battery with a green light. Here goes the third battery. And here goes the fourth battery. And here goes the fifth battery. Alright. Now, we should be able to see what's going on here. 16.5 volt total. USB is getting 5 volts. Channel 1, that's first battery, 3.91. Second battery, 3.89. Fourth battery, 4.9. And fifth battery, 3.9. Alright, so it's charging. I will see, I probably be able to use one battery to fly my FPV whoop immediately right here and can have fun. Now let me bring out one USB cable to see if we can charge something USB with this one. Alrighty, I got my USB cable for my phone. I'm gonna plug it here. While my batteries are charging, 5 of the batteries are charging. Alright, and now I'm gonna plug my mobile phone. Alright, those batteries are charging. I'm gonna plug my mobile phone, and you hear the chimes. It's very bright for you to see actually what's going on in the cell phone, but hear this sound when I disconnect. Alright, and when I connect, that means it's charging basically, and I can see here 89%. Alright, okay, so that makes this charger really useful because you can charge 6 of your FPV whoop batteries, and you can also charge USB powered devices here. How nice it is. Really very, very worthy charger right here. Loving it. Thank you very much, Eachine. Let's charge the batteries. Everything is ready. We can enjoy some FPV whooping. Outdoor FPV whooping.